really excited to be doing Winter Sounds 2024. We first started Winter Sounds just coming out of COVID recovery, and the whole kind of ethos behind it was to encourage people out into the community at those quieter times of year when it's quite cold and dark.
Mae Gigs y Gaeaf ydy rhoi cyfle I pobl ifanc I perfformio ar llwyfan ac hefyd I rhoi gigs yn llefydd, does na ddim gigs fel arfer, a just rhoi manteision i'r cymuned I bobl cael perfformio, cael ymuno, mae yna rhywbeth I bawb.
The events that we're running this year are all kind of community organised and basically put on events that people really want to see and are really enthusiastic about.
Well, I think it's important that we all get together and celebrate Welsh music, really, as much as anything. I'm an English person living in Wales, been here 25 years now, I'll never go home, and it's the Welsh culture, the language and the music that keeps me here. It's just great, you know, and it's nice to be a part of it.
Winter Sounds is not just about putting on gigs and events, but it's also about kind of building capacity locally within the music industry, so offering workshops and opportunities for people to get involved in trying something new, putting on a different event, maybe taking a bit of a risk with something that they don't know whether it'll work or not. So that's a really important element.
I think it has made a difference to the community because I think it's been a real spotlight for us. So they've come to use the hall more, so in actual fact it's improved their well-being.
It's been an absolutely fantastic night here tonight. It's so great to see the place really full. I think it's fantastic and we should have more of this, definitely.
Safon gwych, pawb I mwynhau, pobl o bob oedran yma, ac gan I obeithio fod yna gyfle I cael fwy o nosweithiau fel hyn yn y dyfodol.
I loved it, honest, we all did.
Just music really dda o bobl lleol sy'n gallu gwneud music andros o dda I ddweud y gwir. Yeah.
Diolch Gigs y Gaeaf, class night unwaith eto. Cracking night arall, diolch yn fawr iawn I Gigs y Gaeaf.